Do you ever find yourself adjusting the row selection when using Excel formulas to include the new values? Or for example, when creating a drop list menu, do new items automatically appear when they are added? Guys, for you I found a very cool solution that many people don't know about, that is hash operator. Let's go and let me show how it works. Firstly, we need to understand how dynamic arrays works. Here we have a small dataset with the name, country and the score data. And let's say that we wanna add a 5-point bonus to each person. Of course, you can start by adding 5 points to the first cell and then just drag the formula down. But with dynamic arrays, there is a faster and more efficient way. Just enter the formula in the first cell, pressing Ctrl-Shift down to select the entire column, and then add 5 points to all of them. This method is called spilling, and you will also see that the formula spill over into another cell with a blue border around it, indicating that it is a dynamic array. But the point is that the formula itself will appear only in the first cell. Of course, Excel has many functions that work more or less the same with the dynamic arrays. For example, the unique function. Let's say that we want to find the unique country. Just type unique and select the first list of the countries. As the result, you will see that it will spill into the adjacent cell. And you will see also the same blue border. Now the game changer is the hashtag operator. It was created especially for dynamic arrays. For example, we want to understand how many countries there are. In this case, we can use the COUNTA function, select the first cell and then add the hashtag sign. This will automatically select the entire range. If you add a new country like Germany, the count will update. Without the hashtag operator, if you manually enter the range, for example G3 and G15, it won't automatically update the new data. So, thank you to the hashtag, the data will be updated automatically, and in case if you have or added something new, it will also works and appear in an automatic way. Perfect guys, let's go or move to the more advanced and interesting example. Creating the dashboard. Let's imagine that we want to select the country and view all the related names, data and statistics. Firstly, we will convert our data range into a table by pressing Ctrl-T. After that, we are going to use the filter function to pull all rows where the country is. In this case, it is US. You can then easily switch the countries, like from US to the UK or France, and everything will update it dynamically. Let's also say that we wanna calculate our average score, minimum score and maximum score using the hash sign. For example, average, we select the cell, in this case it is F11 hashtag, give us the average based on the data in the range. And it will also be updated when the countries change. Similarly for the minimum and maximum function, we'll adjust accordingly. And that is the power of the hashtag that works dynamically. The problem is if you use the count formula on the name count, as you can see the number of the names is wrong. For this reason we need to adjust a little bit our formula. We write equal COUNTA index, we select our cell, in this case it is F11, hashtag. So here the array is fine. We don't want any rows, we put 0. We just want one column. In this case we put 1. Close the bars and press enter. As the result we get immediately the correct number. Cool guys, let's test our dashboard. If we change any countries, also everything will be changed. relating on the country name. Next, let's create a data validation drop-down list. Use the unique function to get a list of countries and apply the hash sign to ensure it updates dynamically when we add the new countries. You can then set up a new drop-down list. Go to Data, Data Validation, select the list, then select the countries, and then put hashtag and press OK. As the result, our list is still dynamic. If we change it to Albania, it will automatically add it in the list. And of course, it will also automatically be added in the drop-down list. Guys, our community is growing fast. Let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.